There are 5 habits that will change your life if you actually do them. 1. They wake up early and use the time wisely. Rich people don't hit snooze. They get up early, not to rush, but to think, plan, and grow. While you're sleeping or scrolling, they're reading, working out, or planning their day. That quiet time, that's where success starts. 2. They spend time on big things, not busy work. Poor people stay busy. Rich people stay focused. They don't waste time on small stuff that feels like work but changes nothing. They do the one thing that will move the needle every single day. 3. They invest first and spend later. Rich people don't save money to feel safe. They invest it in businesses, skills, knowledge, and assets. They are aware that money sitting in a bank loses value. Money working for you, that makes you rich. And they pay themselves first, before bills, before fun, before shopping. You don't get rich by what you earn. You get rich by what you keep and grow. 4. They talk to solve, not to complain. Poor people talk about problems. Rich people talk about solutions. At dinner, on the phone, in meetings, they ask, how can we fix this? What's the next move? Who can help? They don't blame the economy, the government, or bad luck. They look for a way forward. Your words shape your world. Stop complaining. Start solving. 5. They never stop learning. Rich people read. They listen to podcasts. They ask questions. They learn from people who've done it before. They know your income grows only when your mind grows. You don't have to go to school. Just stay curious. Read 1 page. Watch 1 video. Learn 1 tip every single day. Small learning plus time equals big results. Now here's the truth. Rich habits don't work overnight. But if you do them every day for 6 months, you won't just feel different. You'll be different. So ask yourself, which one of these habits will you start today? Not tomorrow. Not when you're ready. But right now, drop it in the comments.